Hello, in this video let us see how to install code blocks and OpenGL Freeglet software. I have provided the links to download the software in the description down below. First, click on the code block link in the description and it automatically downloads the software. It usually takes 5 seconds to download. Let us pause here and wait until the software is downloaded. After downloading code block software, next click on the Freeglet link in the description below. Here we need to scroll down to find Freeglet 3.0.0 min.gw package and click on download Freeglet 3.0.0 for min.gw. Let us pause until the download takes place. Now open the folder where the softwares are downloaded. Right click on this zip file and click on extract all and click on extract. Now let us click on code blocks 17.1.2 min.gw setup. Yes. Click on next and you have to agree to the terms. Yes. Please ensure that all the options are ticked. Click on next and make sure the destination folder is same as here. C program files x86 code blocks and then click on install. Let us wait until the installation takes place. Click on no for now. Press next, finish. Now we have to click on Freeglet extracted folder. Click on the file, go to include, click on GL. You have to copy all the files and go to C drive, program file x86, code blocks, min.gw, go to include and here we find GL. Click on it and make sure you paste the copied files here. Give permission, continue. Files are copied here. Now again we have to make sure that we go back to the Freeglet min.gw Freeglet file. Go to library file. Here make sure that you don't go to the x64 file and copy these two files. Again go back to program file x86, code blocks, min.gw, then lib and paste it here. Again go back to the Freeglet file, go to bin and copy this freeglet.dll and again go back to C drive. Here you have to go to Windows and you have to search for system WOW64 file. So we find it here, syswow64 file. So here click on it and then just paste the file here. Press continue. Now go back to C drive, program file x86, then code blocks, go to share, again press on code blocks Here we find templates. So here what you do is right click on it, go to properties, and in properties we see there is a security button. Click on it and go to users, scroll down and go to users, and we have to change the permission and allow to modify. So press on edit, again select user and click on modify and click apply. Now we see that we have selected modify. Click on OK. Now click on templates. Here we find glut.cbp file. So please scroll down here. So we find glut.cbp file here. So right click on this and right click on glut.cbp file. Click on open, press on more apps. Here we need to open it with notepad and click on OK. So here what we need to do is we have to go to edit and click on replace, and you have to replace GLUT 32 and you have to replace it with free glut. So click on replace all. So we have successfully replaced free 32 with free glut. Now click on Ctrl S to save the file. Now close the window. Now we have to scroll above, click on wizard and find glut file here, and then right click on wizard script and click on open with notepad. OK. Now again we have to go to edit, click on replace, and we have to find glut 32 and replace it with free GLUT. So replace all. So it has been replaced, and then we have to save the file. Click on Ctrl S. Now close the window. After completing all the processes, click on code blocks. It takes a minute to open. Here the default compiler, it has taken GNU GCC compiler. So click on this and click on OK. You get a pop-up notification regarding file associations. Click on no, leave everything as it is and click OK. Now to open the project we need to go to file, new project. We find there is a glut project. Click on it, go, click on next. Project title you can name according to your choice. So I will take trial. Then folder to create the project in. So this you can put it in desktop. OK. Click on next. Here you have to click on this and press close, and it asks you, are you sure you want to set invalid global variable? Click on yes. Now go to this PC, go to C drive, go to program files x86, click on code blocks and click on min.gw and click on OK. So this is the location, and click on next. No need to change anything. Click on finish. So we hit the project here, trial, and click on the source and click on main.cpp. Here there is a demo code given. Go to build, click on build and run. So we see that we have successfully installed code blocks and FreeClut and executed a basic program. Thank you.